Imagine turning your living room into a thrilling escape adventure for a fraction of the cost of a night out. But before you print, we need to ask, are these DIY kits truly worth the paper they're printed on?
Escape rock.
Welcome back, puzzle enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into a fascinating corner of the escape room world, printable escape room kits. We've all heard of and probably loved the thrill of physical escape rooms, but what about their at-home, paper-based counterparts? These kits promise the same brain-teasing fun from the comfort of your living room, without the hefty price tag or fixed location. But the big question remains, are printable escape room kits truly worth your time and money? We'll explore their origins, mechanics, pros, cons, and ultimately help you decide if they're the next great adventure for your game night. Stick around because the answers might just surprise you. To truly understand printable escape rooms, we must first trace the lineage back to their digital ancestors. Long before physical rooms existed, the concept of being trapped and solving puzzles to escape captivated gamers. Think about iconic point-and-click adventure games like Myst, released way back in 1993, which immersed players in enigmatic worlds filled with intricate puzzles. Then came flash games, like the hugely popular Crimson Room in 2004, which popularized the escape the room genre, featuring a single confined space where players had to interact with objects and solve logical conundrums to find the exit. These digital experiences laid the foundational blueprint for what was to come. The leap from virtual to reality happened in Japan. In 2007, Takao Kato and his company, Scrap Entertainment, launched Real Escape Game in Kyoto. This was arguably the world's first large-scale live escape game. Players were physically locked in a room and had to use their wits, teamwork, and observation skills to solve a series of puzzles and escape before a ticking clock ran out. It was a groundbreaking concept that transformed the passive experience of video games into an active, immersive, social adventure. The popularity exploded, quickly spreading across Japan and planting the seeds for a global phenomenon. The escape room concept didn't stay confined to Japan for long. By 2011, Attila Jurkovic opened Parapark in Budapest, Hungary, marking Europe's first major escape room. Its success sparked a rapid expansion across the continent. Soon after, the trend crossed the Atlantic, with escape rooms popping up in cities across North America. Within a few years, what started as a niche Japanese novelty had become a worldwide entertainment sensation, with thousands of venues offering unique themes, intricate puzzles, and diverse narratives, from ancient tombs to sci-fi laboratories. The appetite for these immersive experiences was insatiable. So why did physical escape rooms become such a massive hit in the mid-2010s? It was a perfect storm of factors. They offered a unique social experience, forcing friends, families, and colleagues to communicate, collaborate, and think critically under pressure. The tactile nature of interacting with physical objects, unlocking real locks, and discovering hidden compartments provided a deeply satisfying engagement that digital games couldn't replicate. Furthermore, the elaborate set designs and compelling narratives created a sense of true immersion, transporting players to another world, even if just for an hour. It was an adventure, a challenge, and a shared memory, all rolled into one. As the escape room craze peaked, a natural question arose. Could this thrilling experience be replicated at home? The desire for accessible, affordable, and flexible entertainment grew. People loved the concept, but sometimes found physical rooms too expensive, too far away, or simply wanted to enjoy the fun on their own terms, perhaps for a party or a quiet night in. This burgeoning demand created a fertile ground for new forms of at-home puzzle games. Early attempts included board game versions, but a more direct and scalable solution was on the horizon, one that leveraged the power of digital distribution and personal printers. This brings us to printable escape room kits. In essence, these are digital packages you purchase online, download, and print out at home. They contain everything you need: puzzles, clues, instructions for setup, and sometimes even props to cut out and assemble. Unlike a board game with pre-made components, a printable kit often requires a degree of DIY. You become the game master, preparing the materials, hiding clues around your chosen space, and setting the scene. It's a fantastic blend of digital convenience and hands-on creativity, allowing you to transform any room into an adventurous puzzle environment. The global events of 2020, specifically the COVID-19 pandemic and subsequent lockdowns, acted as a massive accelerant for the printable escape room market. With physical entertainment venues shuttered and people confined to their homes, there was an unprecedented demand for engaging, screen-free activities that could be enjoyed indoors with family or housemates. Printable kits offered the perfect solution, a novel form of entertainment that was instantly accessible, socially distant, and provided a much-needed break from endless scrolling. Many creators saw a huge surge in sales, cementing these kits as a legitimate and popular option for at-home fun.
So, what's involved in setting up one of these paper adventures? Once you purchase and download the kit, the first step is printing. Most kits are designed to be printer-friendly, often in color, but sometimes with black and white options. Next comes the cutting. Many puzzles require precise cuts to reveal clues or assemble components. Then, as the game master, you'll follow detailed instructions on where to hide each puzzle, clue, or prop around your house. This setup process is crucial and can take anywhere from 30 minutes to a couple of hours, depending on the kit's complexity. It's part of the fun, transforming your space and creating an element of surprise for your players.
One of the most compelling arguments for printable escape rooms is their cost-effectiveness. A single session at a physical escape room can easily run you $30–50 per person, making it a significant expense for a group. Printable kits, however, typically range from $10 to $30 for the entire kit, regardless of how many people play. Even factoring in the cost of paper and printer ink, it's a fraction of the price. This makes them an incredibly budget-friendly option for family gatherings, parties, or simply a fun evening without breaking the bank. It's an accessible way to enjoy the escape room thrill without the premium price tag. Beyond cost, convenience is a major selling point. With a printable kit, there's no need to book a specific time slot, worry about travel, or coordinate multiple schedules. You decide when and where to play. Want to host a last-minute game night? No problem. Raining outside? Perfect. You can set it up in your living room, backyard, or even take it to a holiday rental. This unparalleled flexibility allows you to integrate the escape room experience into your life on your own terms, making it a spontaneous and stress-free option for entertainment whenever the mood strikes. Just like their physical counterparts, printable escape room kits come in an astonishing array of themes and styles. From mysterious detective cases and thrilling spy missions to magical fantasy quests, spooky haunted houses, and futuristic sci-fi adventures, there's a kit to suit every taste and age group. This thematic diversity means you can pick an experience that perfectly matches your preferences or the occasion. Many kits also offer different difficulty levels, catering to beginners and seasoned puzzle solvers alike, ensuring that everyone can find an appropriate challenge. The sheer breadth of options available is truly impressive. Here's where printable kits offer a unique advantage: the potential for customization. Because you're the one printing and setting up, you have a degree of creative control. You can personalize clues with inside jokes, add specific names, or even integrate personal photos into the puzzles for special occasions, like birthdays or anniversaries. This transforms a generic game into a truly bespoke experience, making it incredibly memorable for the recipient. For event planners or those who love to add a personal touch, this level of customization is invaluable and rarely possible with pre-made physical games or commercial escape rooms. Let's delve into the specific advantages. One of the biggest pros is accessibility. Printable kits lower the barrier to entry significantly. They are often more suitable for younger children, as you can adjust the difficulty by providing hints or simplifying setup. They're also great for those with mobility issues or anxiety in confined spaces, as you can play in a familiar, comfortable environment.
There are no strict age limits or physical requirements, making them truly inclusive entertainment for a wide demographic, ensuring that everyone can participate in the fun regardless of their circumstances. Another major plus is the creative engagement they offer. For the game master, the setup process itself can be a fun, crafty activity. Printing, cutting, folding, and hiding clues taps into a different kind of creative satisfaction. For players, it's a hands-on, tangible experience that goes beyond simply looking at a screen. The act of manipulating paper puzzles, deciphering codes written on physical cards, and discovering hidden clues around your own home adds a unique layer of interaction. It encourages imaginative play and turns your everyday environment into a stage for adventure, fostering a sense of wonder and discovery. Printable escape rooms aren't just fun, they're also fantastic for developing essential skills. They naturally encourage critical thinking, problem solving, and logical reasoning as players decipher puzzles and connect disparate clues. Teamwork and communication are paramount, as players often need to share information and collaborate to succeed. For children, they can enhance literacy and numeracy skills through reading clues and solving math-based puzzles. It's a wonderful way to engage minds of all ages in a stimulating, low-pressure environment, making learning feel like an exciting game rather than a chore. It's entertainment with a purpose. Now let's talk about the downsides. The most frequently cited con is the setup time. While the DIY aspect can be fun for some, it can be a significant chore for others. Printing dozens of pages, meticulously cutting out props, and carefully hiding clues can take a considerable amount of time and effort, sometimes more than the actual playtime. If you're looking for instant gratification or don't have access to a printer, this can be a major deterrent. It requires a commitment from the game master, who won't be able to play along with the same level of surprise as the rest of the group. Another challenge is maintaining immersion. While creators do their best with clever design, paper props simply can't replicate the tangible, multi-sensory experience of a professionally built physical escape room. There are no elaborate sound effects, automated mechanisms, or hidden rooms that magically appear. The magic often relies more on imagination and the game master's ability to set the scene. For players accustomed to high-budget, immersive experiences, a printable kit might feel a bit less real or captivating, demanding a greater suspension of disbelief to truly get lost in the narrative. The nature of paper also presents some limitations. Most printable kits, once solved, offer limited replayability. Knowing the puzzles and solutions diminishes the challenge for future plays, though you could share them with friends. The paper components themselves are also less durable than sturdy wooden props or metal locks found in physical rooms. They can get torn, smudged, or lost, especially with enthusiastic players. While some kits are designed to be laminated for multiple uses, this adds another layer of prep and cost, highlighting the inherent fragility of paper-based games. While printable kits are celebrated for being a physical, unplugged activity, many modern kits actually integrate digital elements. Some require scanning QR codes, visiting specific websites for clues, or using a companion app for hints or to submit answers. While this can enhance the experience by adding multimedia elements, it also means that the experience isn't entirely screen-free. If you're specifically seeking to escape digital devices, this hybrid approach might be a minor drawback. Furthermore, reliable internet access or a charged phone could become a dependency, disrupting the flow of the game if not prepared for. So, with all these pros and cons, who are printable escape room kits really for? They're ideal for families looking for an affordable and engaging game night. They're perfect for hosting unique birthday parties or themed gatherings, especially when personalized. They suit casual puzzle solvers who enjoy a challenge without the pressure or cost of a commercial venue. They're also a fantastic option for game masters who enjoy the creative process of setting up an event and watching others enjoy their handiwork. If you value convenience, affordability, and creative control, these kits might be your perfect match. If you're ready to try one, how do you choose a good kit? First, read reviews.
Look for kits with clear instructions and well-designed puzzles. Consider the theme. Pick something that genuinely excites your group. Check the estimated playtime and setup time to ensure it fits your schedule. Many kits specify age ranges or difficulty levels, so choose one appropriate for your players. Finally, investigate if it has a good hint system. A well-designed kit offers progressive hints, so you don't get stuck, enhancing the fun without outright giving away solutions. A little research goes a long way to ensure a great experience. To truly elevate your printable escape room experience, embrace the role of a game master. Set the mood with themed music, dim lighting, or even some simple decorations. Provide snacks and drinks to keep energy levels up. Encourage players to fully immerse themselves. Suggest they dress up or create a backstory for their team. Don't be afraid to offer hints when players are truly stuck, but let them earn it. The goal is fun, not frustration. By adding these small touches, you can bridge the gap between a simple paper game and a memorable, immersive adventure, transforming your home into an exciting puzzle realm.
So, are printable escape room kits worth it? The definitive answer is yes, absolutely, if you know what you're getting into and manage your expectations. They offer incredible value, convenience, and creative fun that physical rooms simply can't match at their price point. While they might lack the high-tech immersion of a dedicated venue, they excel in accessibility, personalization, and fostering hands-on engagement. For families, friends, and anyone looking for an affordable, flexible, and intellectually stimulating activity at home, printable escape room kits are a fantastic investment. Just be prepared for a little DIY, and you'll unlock a world of fun.